Hi, how are you? Let's draw a nice sketch from this outline. Here you can see a canvas, that's a white background, and we're going to draw a picture. So in the beginning, let's draw a straight line on the top in this portion and runs like the whole canvas like this from left to right. Now you can put some little bit darker colors in these formations. You can see some parts it has a taller, some parts it has a narrower, or the bottom outlines that defines the tree lines in a far distance, and on top of it you can see the mountain lines, some ups and downs, the contours. Okay, so from the top of those mountain lines you can draw like these shades. Okay. You can use the crayon colors in this case, like a okay, so doing the tops, that's going to make the things very easy. From the top portion, just put the shades and use your fingers. You can see the shadings becomes very nice in a small amount of time. You can draw the very nice shades here. Now use these pencils to make the drawings little bit lively. Okay, here in this portion you can draw some tree lines, bigger trees with the branches, so one with another, side by side. Okay, lots of trees, and just putting the branches like this one on the sides of the frame. Just drawing very nicely. You can use the crayons again just to mix up the whole colors. Okay, you can also use a blending stump instead of fingers to mix up the shades here. Okay, in the bottom part of the trees, just putting some grasses and a road coming up from the horizon to us. You can see coming up the lines of the roads here, and the roads just carve out lines. Okay, and you can see some tracks of the vehicles as it moves to the road. Okay, going somewhere, so the tracks of the wheels just make in the middle. So on the two sides you can see some tracks and the grasses. There's the usual graphics of the roads here. Okay, all right. There's the bottom part of the borders, and putting some, the grasses on the sides of the road, very few and straight. You can see the strokes here, very less amounts of time. Also doing some parts on the right side, you can see those defines the grasses alongside the roads. And also some are just leaning on the back. You can see on the left side also some grasses you can see on the roadside. All right. Some plants you can see here, also some plants you can see here, and the rest of the amounts are the dotted field, so defining the whole field is full of those types of plants. Just put the dots here. Okay, putting the dots here, that's the beauty of the drawings, using the crayons for those dots. Using crayons. Then mixing up the colors, so it has a little bit darker shades, you can see. Okay, all right, using a 6B pencil we're going to show some details of the tree leaves or the grasses here, details of the lands of the agriculture. That's on the top, you can see that's coming on the top. Here also you can see on the top. Okay, now on the side you can just put a little bit shades just to define the roads in a better way. Coming from the horizon comes closer, put the shades of the grasslands and the fields. Okay, and also doing the left side, doing this one. Okay, so you can see the graphics of the road is little bit better looks right now. Okay, there's lots of hatches along the roadside, also doing the hatches here, putting the shades, so roads defines very good. So that's the drawing. If you just put it in the border frame, looks like this one. Okay, and the whole drawing is now very clear. So if you like, you can put little bit improvement here, just putting some taller parts in the horizon, so making it a little bit prominent within the drawings. All right, and again we're going to use the 6B pencils to make the bottom part. Okay, so that's the drawing. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.